the Jurassic Coast, is a World Heritage Site on the English Channel coast of southern England. It stretches from Exmouth in East Devon to Studland Bay in Dorset, a distance of about 96 miles, and was inscribed on the World Heritage List in mid-December 2001. The site spans 185 million years of geological history, coastal erosion, having exposed an almost continuous sequence of rock formation, covering the Triassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous periods. At different times, this area has been desert, shallow tropical sea, and marsh, and the fossilized remains of the various creatures that lived here have been preserved in the rocks. At the end of the 18th century, Georges Cuvier showed that some fossil animals resembled no living ones, thus demonstrating that animals could become extinct. This led to the emergence of paleontology, the study of fossils. The coasts of eastern Devon and western Dorset were rich in fossil beds, but before this time, the fossils had merely been gathered as a pastime or collected by local residents and sold to visitors as curios. During World War II, several sections of the Jurassic Coast became the property of the Ministry of War. One of the Royal Navy's largest bases was at Portland Harbor, though it has since closed. A major Army base at Bovington remains in use today. Large areas of land, including the coast between Lulworth Cove and Kimmeridge, are still only partially accessible. This includes the ghost village of Teenyham, which was evacuated after being requisitioned by the Army in 1943. Areas of the coast near Exmouth, the Fleet Lagoon at Weymouth, and the beaches at Studland have also been used for military training, but have since been returned to civilian use. Parts of the coast, especially around Portland, can be dangerous, and shipwrecks have been a feature of the coast. In January 2007, the coast experienced its most environmentally damaging wreck, when the MSC Napoli, a 2,400 capacity container ship, was beached at Branscombe near Sidmouth, losing oil and cargo. Thanks for watching. I invite you to watch my other videos on YouTube.